Yo guys, welcome back to Reedcast and YouTube. Today we will be talking about a Tackle Warehouse unboxing. So let's get started. Okay guys, we're gonna get started. We're gonna start with the Strike King football jig 3/8 ounce in black and blue. Okay. Next, these are also all like some baits for the spring and summer and stuff. So this is a chatterbait 3/8 ounce and white and chartreuse. Next is my confidence bait. These are called black. The color is black shad, and they are called jerk shads by Berkeley Gulp. These are my. If you want to try a fluke for a first time, try these. These are like the best flukes on the market, in my preference. So I got 3 of those. Next, I got some Swimmin' Super Fluke Juniors in white pearl. So let's look at these. These are for smallmouth, not largemouth, just so everyone knows. They're only about, doesn't say the length, but probably about 3 inches, I'd say. Yeah, these are them. Next, we got all our crankbaits. So we got 2 KVD 1.5s and gizzard shad. Next, we got 2 1.5s in chili crawl. Great color for the spring, because the crawfish also move up with the bass. Shallow. And then I got 1 1.0 gizzard shad. KVD 1.0. Great crankbaits. Probably my favorite. Next, I pulled out one so you can see it, but this is a really good lipless crankbait. I got 2 of them. This is a Strike King Strike King Red Eye Shad 1/2 ounce. So this is what it looks like, and it has a really good rattle. Listen. So, yeah, got 2 of those. Next, I got 2 live target frogs for the hot summer days here in Pennsylvania. 2 coppers, live targets. This is, I believe, 2 1/4 ounce, 2 1/4 inches, 5/8 ounce, and fluorescent green and yellow. So, my favorite frog by far. Next, we got 3 swim jigs. I got 2 of these. They're all Revenge swim baits. They're all, I believe, 1/4 ounce. I got 2 of the bluegill color and 1 of the white and chartreuse. Next are a soft plastic frog. My favorite soft plastic frog. This time I smelled it for its scent, but I was hoping it had some scent, but it doesn't. But these looked really good because I like the boot tails, and it has a little slot, just if you see that, it has a little slot just for the hook. And I've heard a lot of good reviews on the rivets. These are in white, and you get 5 in a pack. So, yep. I'll show you the pack. Next, we got Trailer SP for spinnerbaits, 1/0. Just needed some trailer hooks. And then we got we got 2 tail rage crawls, both 7 packs, 4-inch, 1 in pearl and 1 in Delta red. So I'll show you the pearl first. I got pearl to imitate shad. Even though they're crawfish, anything can really imitate a shad if it moves in the water, I believe. And next is Delta Red. So, that's it